Hi, I'm Nick from Jordanbikes and welcome to another of our bikes for sale videos. And today we're selling this ZX10R KRT edition. We're filming in high definition, so if you want to see this in HD, press the button in the bottom corner and you'll get the sound and the vision in full high definition. This thing is a 2019 bike, 2019 plate, new in April last year. These things are bananas crazy. I know that because I've had one myself. I had the previous ZX10 as well, and this thing just knocks its socks off. My worst complaint about the previous one was just a slightly spongy brakes. So on this one they fitted Brembo M50 monoblocks as standard, Brembo brake reservoir as well, Showa full adjustable fat forks with a little gas cartridge on the side, ABS, traction control that you can adjust or turn off, power modes, and these things come with a quick shifter as well. And if you want to get it remapped on our dyno, we can remap the ECU and turn it into an Autoblipper through the Kawasaki ECU. Lovely clean bike, hardly being used at all. Save yourself a load of money on new with this one. I'll crack it up for you. It shouldn't be too loud anyway, it's got a standard exhaust, but when they are going, they are quite fruity, these. There you go, Ohlins electric steering damper as well, so the faster you go, that does get stiffer. That's it, I think. Don't think I've missed anything. If you fancy it, you know where we are. Give us a ring or pop in. Thanks for your attention. Cheers, guys. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.